Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Ephraim back here with us today. Ephraim's a patient that we've had, for 2-3 years?
About 2, yeah.
And he hasn't been in our new office yet. This is his first visit back to our new office. He came in here with a lot of back pain and neck pain and wasn't able to work out or do anything in life that was comfortable.
Yeah.
And we got him to where he was very stable. And so he's just coming in on an as-needed basis. So we're going to tune him up today. Okay, let's take a look at you. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards for me. Neutral. Yep. See how your head's a little bit forward?
Yeah.
Yep. That's probably the number one thing that's creating more weight bearing down here. It's a little bit over to the right too. Sitting on your side.
Yeah.
Yep.
We're traveling a lot, so we're hitting hotels.
So what do you think to our new office?
It's nice. It's real nice.
It's a lot bigger, huh?
Oh yeah.
Yep. All right. Here we go. This way. Let's slide down this way. This way I don't have to have Renee staring at me all day. There we go. So it's been a while since you've had the ring dinger, huh?
Yeah, about 5 months now.
Has it been 5 months? There we go. Good.
Table sounds
Yeah,
good.
we got that squeak fixed, huh? Okay, nice deep breath in. Oh yeah. Feel that all the way down?
Oh yeah.
Good man. Bet that was
Long time
a
coming.
long time coming, yep. Perfect. Okay, let me have you. There you go, boy. Good job. You didn't forget how to relax. Once you know how good you're gonna feel, it's easy to relax, huh?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, let's go over here on this table now. I don't know if you've been on this table
No,
yet or
not on
not
this one.
either. It's got much more substantial drop pieces, so I can do a lot more BioPhysics 3-dimensional work. That made the first one of the day.
Average is good.
Yeah, your legs are even now, Ephraim. That still tightens up a little bit right there, huh?
Just a little bit.
Yeah. Pelvis is a little bit to the right, so we don't move left. Oh, I wanted to let all you know too that we loaded up a couple of videos yesterday on our old channel, and we did that on purpose because REC Studios finally released us on that. Haven't paid us everything yet, but they released us. So I'll be loading up videos on both channels, Advanced Chiropractic Relief and Advanced Chiropractic Relief LLC. And we're going to be doing a Q&A video here probably later this week. And so on this video, submit your questions, but I will only answer questions that are professional and only answer questions when the person leaves their real name so I can address them by name. No hiding behind the anonymity of the internet. Troll. There we go. And please keep them clean.
Oh, sorry.
There we go. Okay, just exhale there. That's it. That's it. Good. Boy, you're moving good everywhere. Okay. You haven't had this one yet, Ephraim. I'm going to pop your neck up a little bit here.
Okay.
Let's slide down this way a tiny bit right there. Good. Yep. This helps put the curve back in your cervical spine. There we go. Okay, let's turn you on your back now. There we go. No, you're good. Looks like you have just a tad right there. That's it. Just brings your head up and back over your shoulders where it's supposed to be. There we go. Now slide down a little bit more. There you go. And put your arms straight out to the sides.
Like that?
Yes, sir. Probably do the Q&A live and stream it and have a phone number you can call in on. And I'll leave you that phone number on a future video. There we go. Good. Okay. There. Yeah, just breathe and relax. Oh yeah. There. Okay. Good. Now let's step face toward Joseph this way. Okay. There we go. Good job. That's it. Good. Get your elbows and your wrists. There we go. Boy, that was good.
Oh, yeah.
There, good. There we go, Ephraim. Let's stand up here in front here now. Okay, let's flex your head forward and backwards again. That's already better range of
Oh,
motion. Yep. Pull these guys up and back. See, Ephraim already knows what to do. That's good. Hit his atlas there. I'm going to bounce his traps too. Changes the muscle spindles and the Golgi tendon apparatus. There you go. Okay, try that same thing again. This should feel even smoother. Yep, take a look. Good job. So what would you tell our YouTube subscribers about your experience here at Advanced
Just
Chiropractic
so
Relief?
much better in the 2-3 years I've been here. Man, quality of life is so much better now. I'm able to do so much more with my family. Go back to the gym, and even at work, my performance has really improved.
That's great. And it's been since 2/23 since we've seen you.
Yeah.
That's good. Great. Good to see you again. Thanks for sharing your experience. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief, LLC in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all next time.